Okay, let me just tell you precisely what's happening. This is the Radio 1 Roadshow from the football ground in Marazion in Penzance. We're on stage with 20,000 people. It's more like a festival than anything else. On stage with me is Dr. Duncan Steel, Eclipse specialist. We've got a screen behind us. We can see precisely what's going on. We have pretty much 100% cloud cover. But it is like night time. It's like 10 o'clock at night. Duncan, tell us what's happening now.
Okay, we've got about, here in Penzance, we've got 30 seconds to go. We're expecting to see the shadow coming from over here.
Okay, up to our right we have hills. They're covered in very dark cloud. We're looking for the moon shadow to be coming over at what speed?
2,000 miles an hour.
Okay, it takes about 10 seconds from that hill to here. Is this it coming now?
This is it coming now. We can see flash guns going off 5 miles away. Boy, is it getting dark.
It has just got to nighttime within the space of 10 seconds. Out to sea, beyond St. Michael's Mount, it's quite light. That's like sunset time.
It is. Look all way around you. 30 miles away, you can see the sunset. Totality has begun. This is as dark as it gets.
This is the track that the Pet Shop Boys have composed and written just for Radio 1. Have a listen. We can see on the Radio 1 screen a fantastic total solar eclipse taken from the pictures above the clouds. That's what we've been hoping to see. That's impressive on a screen. Duncan, tell us what we're looking at.
Okay, what you can see now is the corona. The corona is a cloud of gas zooming out from the sun. Its temperature is about 2 million degrees. That's what you can see right now. The moon is totally blocking out the actual disk of the sun. That's the corona, the crown around the sun.
It is pitch black. They said with the clouds it would be disappointing. It is the middle of the night.
This is just fantastic. We've got about 30 seconds to go here in Marazion. Anybody out there who is under the total eclipse can now look at it. No goggles. If you're under the total eclipse, you've got about another 20 seconds before you get another diamond ring. Take a look at that corona. That is fantastic.
We can see helicopters flying around the horizon getting TV pictures. We can see a bit of sunrise coming up over to the far right where the moon shadow came from. Out to sea, it's still quite light. With us, it's getting lighter, isn't it, Don? This is lighter now.
It's getting lighter. And if we look behind us to the west, we can see the edge of the moon shadow coming towards us. It's lightening up us again now. Just like a rapid dawn. This is fantastic.
And this is the exclusive Pet Shop Boys track. It's getting lighter. It's like 6 in the morning. On our screen we can still see the total eclipse. That must be coming out now, Duncan.
Yes, any second now we're going to see the diamond ring again. Here it comes.
That's the diamond ring. If we didn't have cloud, this would be the time when we'd look away. It's now like 7 o'clock in the morning. We've gone from complete pitch blackness, like 1 o'clock in the morning, and it's sunrise. How was it for you?